5 centuries ago, a brilliant political strategist accidentally discovered the psychological mechanism that makes people obsess over leaders, kingdoms, and causes. Niccolò Machiavelli never intended to write a dating manual. He was documenting how princes maintained power and loyalty. But hidden within his brutal observations about human nature lies the exact blueprint for making a woman chase you with an intensity that borders on addiction. The same principles that kept subjects devoted to rulers, that made populations willing to die for their kings, that created unwavering loyalty in the most unstable political environments. These principles work on romantic attraction with surgical precision. What makes this knowledge dangerous is its effectiveness. Once you understand how Machiavelli's power dynamics translate to modern relationships, you'll create a level of female pursuit that most men never experience. Women will text you first. They'll clear their schedules to see you. They'll compete for your attention. They'll think about you constantly. And the most interesting part? You won't be doing more, you'll actually be doing less. Because Machiavelli understood that power isn't about effort or pursuit. It's about positioning, psychology, and understanding what actually drives human behavior beneath all the romantic illusions. This isn't about manipulation for cruelty's sake. This is about understanding the fundamental architecture of attraction and desire. Most men fail with women because they operate on Disney fairy tale logic. Be nice. Be available. Show her how much you care, and she'll love you forever. Meanwhile, reality operates on Machiavellian principles. Create value, demonstrate scarcity, maintain mystery, and watch people compete for access to you. The men who understand this become the pursued. The men who don't become the pursuers, endlessly chasing women who see them as disposable. If you're exhausted from being the guy who always texts first, who plans everything, who tries harder than she does, who gives everything and receives scraps in return pay very close attention, what you're about to learn will fundamentally invert your relationship dynamics. You'll stop chasing and start being chased. You'll stop proving your worth and start having it recognized. You'll stop being an option and start being the priority. Because Machiavelli's principles aren't just theory, they're the operating system of human psychology. And once you learn to use them, everything changes. Machiavelli's first and most powerful principle is strategic scarcity. In The Prince, he wrote that a ruler must never be too available to his subjects, for constant presence breeds contempt and familiarity. This isn't just political wisdom, it's psychological law. Human beings assign value based on scarcity. What's abundant becomes common. What's scarce becomes precious. When you make yourself constantly available to a woman, always texting back immediately, always free when she wants to see you, always accommodating her schedule, always there, you destroy your own value in her eyes. This doesn't mean playing childish games or following arbitrary rules about waiting 3 days to text back. This means genuinely building a life so full, so compelling, so demanding of your time and energy that she must compete for space in it. The difference is crucial. Fake scarcity is transparent and weak. She can sense when you're deliberately ignoring her. Texts while doing nothing important. Real scarcity is powerful. You're genuinely occupied with missions, goals, and activities that matter more than her attention in that moment. Women are evolutionarily wired to pursue what they cannot easily possess. Throughout human history, high-value males were scarce resources. Women who could successfully attract and retain access to these men passed on their genes. This created an instinct to chase, compete for, and obsess over men who seem valuable and difficult to secure. When you're always available, you signaled that no other women want you, that you have nothing better to do than wait for her validation, that you're abundant and therefore worthless. Machiavelli understood that perceived value determines actual influence. The tactical application is simple but requires discipline. Sometimes respond to her texts quickly, sometimes take hours, not because you're following a formula, but because your life genuinely demands variable availability. Accept some invitations enthusiastically. Decline others without guilt or elaborate explanation. Be present and engage when you're with her, but maintain independence and mysterious absence when you're not. Create what Machiavelli called useful uncertainty. She never quite knows your schedule, your availability, or your level of interest. So she stays engaged, trying to figure it out. The second Machiavellian principle is outcome. Independence, the willingness to lose everything. Machiavelli observed that princes who desperately clung to power lost it, while those willing to risk it all often kept it. In relationships, this translates directly. The man who's terrified of losing her becomes utterly unattractive to her. She can smell the desperation, the neediness, the fear. It repels her on a visceral level because it signals low value. If you're afraid to lose her, it means you believe she's your only option, which means you're low-value. True outcome independence means you're genuinely okay if she walks away tomorrow. Not because you don't care about her, but because you have genuine abundance in your life, other options, other interests, other sources of fulfillment. This isn't something you can fake convincingly. Women detect incongruence immediately. You can say confident words, but if your energy reeks of neediness, if your eyes betray desperation, if you overreact to her pulling back even slightly, she knows. She knows you need her, and nothing kills attraction faster. The third principle is intermittent reinforcement, which Machiavelli observed makes subjects most devoted to rulers. When rewards are unpredictable, sometimes generous, sometimes withholding, never following a pattern, the brain enters an addiction-like state. This is the same mechanism that makes gambling addictive. The unpredictability creates dopamine, not just at the reward, but in anticipation of it, generating a powerful craving cycle. Applied to relationships, this means never being consistently anything. Most men make the fatal mistake of being consistently nice, consistently available, consistently accommodating. This creates predictability, which kills excitement and attraction. Or they try to be consistently aloof and challenging, which also becomes predictable and therefore loses power. Machiavelli understood that the key is variability. Sometimes you're warm and affectionate. Sometimes you're distant and focused on your mission. Sometimes you shower her with attention. Sometimes you're too busy to text back for hours. Sometimes you're sexually aggressive. Sometimes you're romantically tender. The fourth Machiavellian principle is cultivating mystery and depth. He wrote that a prince should never fully reveal his capabilities, his intentions, or his nature. There should always be more to discover, always depth that remains unplumbed. Most men violate this principle catastrophically. Within weeks of meeting a woman, they've revealed their entire history, all their insecurities, every thought in their head, their complete emotional landscape. The mystery is dead. She knows everything about you. There's nothing left to discover. Instead, reveal yourself strategically, in layers over time. Keep significant parts of your life private. Have experiences she doesn't fully understand. Maintain friendships and interests that don't include her. When she asks about your past, give intriguing glimpses rather than exhaustive autobiographies. Let her discover new dimensions of you, gradually your hidden talents, your unexpected knowledge, your surprising experiences. This perpetual sense that there's more to discover keeps her engaged and chasing, because the human brain is hardwired to solve puzzles and explore complexity. The fifth principle is commanding respect through demonstrated value rather than demanding it. Machiavelli observed that fear maintains power more reliably than love. Translated to relationships, this means her respect for you matters infinitely more than whether she likes you in any given moment. Nice guys prioritize being liked above everything, and they pay for it with attraction death. Women chase men they respect, even when those men occasionally frustrate them. Build respect through demonstrable competence in your domain. Be exceptional at something that matters. Follow through on your word without exception. Have standards and enforce them without apology. Make decisions confidently and commit to them. Solve problems rather than creating them. Don't fill silence with nervous chatter or constant validation seeking. When you set boundaries, maintain them absolutely. When you start something, finish it. Women constantly test men's resolve, their consistency, their backbone. Pass these tests through genuine strength of character, and she'll chase you because she's found something rare. Now you understand Machiavelli's blueprint for making women chase you forever. Strategic scarcity that creates value through limited availability. Outcome independence that demonstrates you're not desperate for her specifically. Intermittent reinforcement that creates addictive pursuit of your approval. Cultivated mystery that promises endless discovery. Commanded respect through demonstrated competence and enforced boundaries. Social proof that triggers competitive instincts. And leadership energy that removes decision burden and creates direction worth following.